About freestyle, little bit shit, some real shit, nigga. You don't know nothing about this reality. Listen, nigga born in Somalia, Mogadishu and Medina, Rafad after Rafad, Qaxooti after Qaxooti, come to United States, now I'm a fly ass nigga. Niggas call me old, they don't know I'm not old, because I've been to Rafad. On the set, you can't say shit about me. We are here, chilling like a superstar right now. Back in days, I used to, little kid, a very miskin guy, no shoes. Now, I buy any shoes, I buy you bitch. I slap her with my dick, and she's gonna suck my dick and choke on it. Malaysia money, on the shit. Ow! Hey, she used to fuck with my nigga though. I don't care, nigga shit, I'ma get it out. Oh, when I get that out, I'ma hit that out. Oh, when I get that out, I'ma fuck that out. Hey, she used to fuck with my nigga though. I don't care, nigga shit, I'ma get it out. Oh, when I get that out, I'ma hit that out. Oh, when I hit that out. Hey, baby girl, I chose you, you chose me. We do our little thing. Come around me, we smoke weed, I don't drink, baby girl. Used to love you the way I used to love you. Baby girl, I'd do anything for you because I got that cash. But I'm not tricking, I got it though. Baby girl, I will treat you right. I'll fuck you slowly every night. But you bitch ass nigga, you know what I'm saying though, I'm a real nigga though, I'll fuck that bitch that left nigga. I got bitch niggas somewhere, they think they're my friend, you ain't even know. I got some real niggas around me, you ain't even know. I got some thieves around me, you ain't even know. I got some fake niggas around me, you ain't even know. I'll fuck you bitch, you ain't even know. I'll fuck you what, you ain't even know. I'm gonna fuck your sister, you ain't even know. You gotta say it loud.
Bitch nigga, you a trick nigga, you a hoe nigga, you ain't bout it 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 nigga, I'm a real nigga, I'm a real nigga, I'm a real nigga, I'm a real nigga, I got a tech and I got a Mac, got a tech and I got a Mac, disrespect and get laid flat, fat man in that Maybach, lay flat with his head back, stay strapped like some A-Rabs. Molly mob, nigga ASAP. Cut corners in that Maybach. Real nigga like hold up, nigga hold up.